Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Boof's Sports Card Collecting. Today I'm with my daughter Kelly, and we had a little father-daughter weekend, and we're going to finish it off with a little rip today. We're going to rip a blaster box of Series 1. So let's go ahead and rip into it. We'll start with a box cutter. Makes it a little easier to get in there. Looking for something special. Hopefully we can pull something special. Been lucky sometimes, and then just regular cards sometimes, so we'll see. My daughter's not really into it, so I'm going to make her try to read the names and see how well she does. We always get one memorabilia per box, and you can usually fill it. It's the fat pack. Actually, this is a fat pack. So we'll save that one for the last. So here, go ahead and pick out 3 packs. Okay, you can go ahead and start.
Yeah.
With her good luck tossing the pack over, but she can pick them up when we're done.
Kirsten
Herrera. He's a Milwaukee Brewers. No longer playing. I'm not sure what
George Kirby.
Oh, this is a Future Stars. A pitcher, George Kirby. Yeah. Okay. Sweet.
Garrett Cole.
Garrett Cole just got 2,000 strikeouts for the Yankees. Okay.
Ethan Small.
Ethan Small, rookie card for the Milwaukee Brewers.
Kristen P.
Christian Pache for the Oakland A's. Frenchie Cordero. I think it's Frenchie Cordero for the Red Sox.
Paul
Goldschmidt, the MVP for the Cardinals. He's a good one to have.
Hernandez.
Oh, Gunnar Hernandez rookie card. That's a big rookie card there. So there we go. That's good. 1988 style, 35 years of Wade Boggs. I used to collect these the 88 ones a long time ago. Oh, nice. You got a Stars of MLB, Mike Trout. Nice.
Jose Ramirez
from the Cleveland Guardians. Pretty good player.
Sonny Gray.
Sonny Gray, a pitcher for the Minnesota Twins. You know why they're called the Minnesota Twins? Because there's 2 cities that are similar to each other in Minnesota. So they're the twin cities. So Minnesota Twins. Johan Duran, also for the Minnesota Twins.
And then
Max Kepler, also from the Minnesota Twins. We got a little Twins team pack coming on here. Okay, so my first pack, see what we can pull out of it. We will start with a rookie of Travis Swaggerty from the Pittsburgh Pirates. This is my rookie pile. We got a Randall Gurrick from the Colorado Rockies. We got a Luis Garcia from the Washington Nationals. We got a Albert Alamo from the Cincinnati Reds. There's a good one. We got a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. from the Toronto Blue Jays. There we go. That's a good one. There we go. From the Baltimore Orioles, we got a Dean Kilmer. Oh, there we go. That's another good one. From the Seattle Mariners, we got a Julio Rodriguez rookie cup. That will do. We got a rookie card of Evan Lee from the Washington Nationals. Rookie cards. And, got a home run challenge. I already have this one too. Man, I keep just adding to the same ones. All right, we got a Riley Green from the Detroit Tigers home run challenge. right? Or is that San Diego Padres? Yep, Detroit Tigers. Detroit Tigers. I'm right. Okay, and then we got stars of MLB, the judge, the jury, the executioner, Aaron Judge. Okay, the next card I got is an AJ Milter from the Bravos. I got a George Alfredo something from the San Diego Padres. I got a San Francisco Giants team card, Yippee Skippy. And I got home run leaders for the National League, which was Kyle Schwarber, Pete Alonso, and Austin Riley from the Braves. There we go, those three. And that's the end of my pack. Kelly's next pack with the toss.
Joey Votto.
Joey Votto. Joey Grand Theft Votto. There we go. Joey Votto.
Brad Miller.
Brad Miller from the Texas Rangers. Rangers are doing really good this year.
Luis Robert.
One of my favorite players, Luis Robert from the White Sox.
Kevin
Kiermaier from the Tampa Bay Rays. We got a Raisel Iglesias from the Atlanta Braves.
Michael.
We got a Michael Chavez from the Pittsburgh Pirates.
Michael Grove.
Michael Grove rookie card from the Dodgers. That was in my rookie pile there.
Mike Trout.
Oh, Kingfish. Mike Trout. Very cool. Oh, this is really cool. 2022 greatest hits. Shohei Ohtani. Very cool. Add that to my Ohtani collection. That's cool. Stars of MLB. Bo Bichette from the Toronto Blue Jays. Teammates celebrate walk-off Wild West San Diego Padres. National League earned run average leaders, which is Julio Reyes, Sandy Alcantara, and Max Fried. Dodger, Brave, Marlin.
Caleb Smith.
Yeah, Caleb Smith from the Arizona Diamondbacks. Next card.
Ryan.
Last card in that pack is a Ryan McMahon from the Colorado Rockies. All right, next pack for me. So far, I think you're winning, so you'll get that fat pack unless I pull something better. We shall see. Jake Cronenworth from the San Diego Padres. Rookie card of Brian Serven from the Rockies. Got a Shohei Ohtani base card there. Got an Aaron Nola from the Philadelphia Phillies. Got a rookie card of Corey Lee from the Houston Astros. Got a Eric Frady from the Washington Nationals. Got a Jose Altuve, Yippee Skippy from the Houston Astros. Let's see, Antonio Santanella from the Colorado Rockies. A 1988 throwback of Hunter Green from the Cincinnati Reds. Kind of blurry. Got a Stars of MLB, Rafael Devers. Sweet. Got a Danny Jimenez from the Oakland Athletics. Got NL average leaders, which is It was Jeff McNeil, Freddie Freeman, and Paul Goldschmidt. And then I got the Philadelphia Phillies. Hoskin provides jolt for Phillies. The Phillies there. And then the last one is a Kenley Jansen for the Braves, who used down on another team. All right, let's see Kellie's next pack. Tossing it over. All right, top card is a Shea Langoliers rookie card from the Oakland A's.
Kedrick something.
Cedric Mullins from the Baltimore Orioles.
Alex Wood.
Alex Wood. We have Wood in our family. My sister, Alex Wood.
Jonah Bride.
Jonah Bride rookie card from the Oakland Athletics.
Pavin Smith.
Yep, Pavin Smith from the Arizona Diamondbacks. I'm sorry, wrong sport. Alec Baum from the Philadelphia Phillies.
Vinny
Pasquantino rookie card, rookie cup. He's doing pretty good for the Royals. We got a Johan Diaz from the Colorado Rockies.
Carlos.
Ooh, a blue border. Carlos Rodon. And a ding corner, too. From the San Francisco Giants. Stars of MLB, Garrett Cole from the New York Yankees. ALERA leaders, Justin Verlander, Dylan Cease, and Alec Manoah from the American League. American League, the Boston Red Sox team card.
Marcus Wilson.
Yep, Marcus Wilson rookie card from the Seattle Mariners.
And then Tanner Scott.
And Tanner Scott, Tanner Scott from the Miami Marlins. All right, and my last pack, unless I pull something really fire, it looks like she'll be opening up the relic. We shall see. One pack away from greatness, I guess, right? Max Fried from the Atlanta Braves. Carlos Rodon from the San Francisco Giants. Rookie card of Esquel Duran from the Texas Rangers. Ryan Mountcastle from the Baltimore Orioles. Let's see, Scott Barlow from the Kansas City Royals. Cody Kierbell from the Philadelphia Phillies. Ooh, I got a Chrome card. John Barrett from the Miami Marlins. Let's see what this Stars of MLB Chrome is going to be. Got a Future Stars of Hunter Green. All right, and this Chrome is it's a Riley Green rookie card, Stars of MLB Chrome from the Detroit Tigers. Not necessarily the one I was looking for, but still, I'll take it. This one's cool. Stars of MLB, Mookie Betts from the Dodgers. I got a Yusei Kikuchi from the Blue Jays. And got Arizona Diamondbacks team card. Got a Angels team card. And the last card is the ERA once again with NL wins leader, which is Kylie Wright, Julio Urias, and Yu Darvish. All right, so Kellie's going to go ahead and open up the relic pack. It looks like a coaster in this one, but, I don't know. Those manufactured relics are what they are when it comes to it. So let's see what we got here. Mike Yastrzemski. Kind of like Mike Yazowski.
Walker or something.
Stiller Walker, rookie card for the Giants.
Tim Anderson.
Tim Anderson for the White Sox. There's a PC card.
G-Man Choi.
Yeah, you're right. G-Man Choi for the Tampa Bay Rays. Big boy.
Eric
Lunar for the Milwaukee Brewers.
Brandon Marsh.
Future Stars for the Phillies.
And then Max.
Max Scherzer for the New York Mets.
Cal Mitchell.
Yeah, Cal Mitchell rookie card for the Pittsburgh Pirates. And our relic is from the Cincinnati Reds. It's a Grand Theft Auto relic card for the Cincinnati Reds. There's our relic. So that's cool. 1-2 punch, Corman Kearns and Brandon Woodruff from the Milwaukee Brewers. Got a Stars of MLB Big Meat Pete Alonso. Already has 20 home runs this year. We got a Teoscar Hernandez, who got a standing ovation in Toronto when he came back.
Ronnie Garcia
for the Detroit Tigers. Okay. Nick Pavel from the Boston Red Sox. And the last card of the box is going to be a Rafael Devers from the Boston Red Sox, Ethan's favorite player. Likes to collect Rafi Devers. All right, guys, so that's going to be the end of this. That was our rip for the day. Let me know in the comments what you think down below. I know we didn't really pull anything fabulous this time, but always fun to rip from my daughter. Thank you very much for ripping with us, Kelly. I appreciate it. And as always, leave comments and hit the like button. And as I always say every time, peace.